So what do gut microbes and their changes, what role do they play in the development and the clinical manifestations of common brain disorders, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, depression? So to preface what I'm going to say is that we don't have a causal proof that microbes play this role in, or a major role in these human diseases. But we have a lot of information from animal studies using models of depression, Parkinson's, cognitive decline, and we can extrapolate from these results to humans. And we have some human studies, many of which are not causal because we can't manipulate the microbes as we could do in an animal model and then see what happens to the brain. So they're more like associations or correlations. So we can say if somebody has a different makeup of their ecosystem of microbes in the gut, when they have Parkinson's disease or when they have Alzheimer's disease, we can extrapolate or suspect that these microbes play a role in causing the disease. It's definitely not a one-to-one linear relationship. We've talked about the systems biological understanding, the complexity of biological systems like the gut connectome or the brain connectome. So the microbes are one influence amongst many others that play a role in these diseases. Genetic predispositions, certainly another very important one. You may have major disturbances of your gut microbes and never develop Alzheimer's disease or depression if you don't have the vulnerability genes that make that much more likely. And there's also, the astonishing phenomenon that many people that have very explicit or pronounced state of dysbiosis in the gut, they do not develop the disease, and vice versa. Some people that develop these diseases do not have these dramatic changes in the gut microbiome. So I would say, state this carefully, based on our current knowledge, it seems from animal studies that there is an important role of the gut microbes and its messengers on brain function, and if it's chronic, on brain changes and development of disease. But we do not have enough data from human studies to really unequivocally answer this question: what role do the microbes play? Is it 5%? Is it 30% of the influence of all the other factors that come together? But in any case, since we can manipulate the gut microbial function and composition through our diet, we have a pretty good explanation why some diets, like the Mediterranean diet, like the ketogenic diet, why they are correlated with both positive and some diets negative brain changes.